Welcome friends. Today I'll show how to schedule WhatsApp message, call, mail and other features. For this we will use a third party app. So first confirm that your internet connectivity is okay. Open Play Store. Search SK Edit and click on SK Edit scheduling app. Now install it. System is downloading the app. Download completed. System is installing the app. Installation completed. Now please open it. Now click the checkbox in bottom and sign in with your Facebook ID. Logging in. Still logging in. Now login completed. You can schedule WhatsApp Business, WhatsApp, SMS, email and call from this window. To use WhatsApp Business, you should have WhatsApp Business installed on your device. Now click on WhatsApp. You have to give some permission. Click on Enable Accessibility. Now click on More Download Services. Now click on SK Edit and on the button. Click OK. Now permission given is completed. You can write your message now. Click on the plus button to add recipient. And select your recipient. Remember that you can select multiple recipient. Now write your message in message box. Write anything you want to say recipient. Remember that message cannot be greater than 1800 character. You can add any attachment from attachment option. Here the attachment option. Now fix a time and date when you want to send the message. I'm fixing the date and now fixing the time. Now if you want to repeat the message, click on repeat option and select how often you want to send the message. I am selecting no repeat. Now if you want to get a notification to ask you before send message, please click on the ask me before sending option. Now message is completed. Click on sign button on right top of the screen. Yes, this message is saved and will generate on your specified time. In the same way, you can schedule SMS, email and call also from this window. That's all for today viewers. If this video helps you, please subscribe our channel and press the bell to get all upcoming video notifications. Be with us. Thank you.